Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Dr. Crypto here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin, CRO, Crypto.com, Ethereum and alt season. But before I start, smash that like button, give us a subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated. But congratulations to everybody out there who owns Bitcoin. It's sitting at over $100,000. Actually, for making this video right now, it's sitting at $103,000. So everybody who held onto their Bitcoin through all the FUD, the fear, uncertainty and doubt, when we're sitting at $15,000, $16,000 and people will say, no, it's going down to 10, no, it's going to 0. But I have the conviction to hold tight for this bull market. Congratulations to you. But for us who own alts as well, gear up ready, because Bitcoin's making its move, and guess what else is going to make its move soon? The altcoins at some point will make their move, but it comes with very much caution because there's a lot of leverage out there right now. So potentially there could well be a pullback, so you need to be prepared for that. But overall, it's looking really great. Everything is looking green. Everything's ready to move, and Bitcoin's making the move again, and I can guarantee pretty much alts will make some moves soon as well. But it's all over the news at the moment regarding, I've had people ring me up, I've had my neighbours say to me, have you heard about Bitcoin going to 100,000? You know, they're all coming in again. And we were those early people back in the bear market buying all our alts up when everybody was scared and nobody was interested. But hopefully we're going to make life-changing money. Because we can see at the moment, look at the cryptocurrency, it's 3.69 trillion at the moment. Yeah, so in 24-hour volume, we're sitting at $360 billion in 24-hour volume. And like I said, Bitcoin's sitting at 103,286. That's going to be stiffed out. Ethereum sitting at $3,938. Ethereum is going to make some big moves. It's gearing up for that giga move. And I'm pretty sure it could be happening today, in the next couple of days. It's going to happen. But looking at the moment, we can have a look at CRO. CRO is my biggest bag. I do own CRO. I do have an IC white card. But overall, we're sitting over 21 pence at the moment. Sorry, we're down by 0.26%, down by 0.79% on 24. But overall, on the 7-day, we're up 19.74%. So alts are going to have a bit of a pullback. While Bitcoins is having its time again, expect alts to have that little bit of a pullback, have a bit of a breather, gearing themselves up, because a lot of alts are ready for that big move to the upside. But overall, we can have a look at Crypto.com at the moment. We can have a look at Crypto.com on the charts. Nothing's really changed at the moment. On the Cypher B, we've got money inflow coming in. We're sitting above that 20 EMA, which I'm really am liking. And now we're well above that area of support. We created basically what was resistance now into support, because that W formation that I mentioned over this past couple of days is starting to play out. We're starting to make the moves to the upside. So we're starting to create now support around about that 20 pence mark. So I'm hoping that we can keep the momentum up and start moving up. But we can see the money flow starting to come up. We're well above that 50 and we're well above that 200 EMA. That's what I really like to see. But like I say to all those people, you know, for me personally, nothing I say as financial advice, I'm not selling no CRO at all, zero, because I think CRO is going to go to that $3 to $4 mark. The golden mark for me at the moment is heading towards that 50 to that $1. $1 is bearish in my opinion, but I think we're going to that $3 to $4 in this bull market. And why do I think that? And I've said it in many videos. Look at the roadmap. Look at the Kronos chain, what they're doing. And what are those quarterly burns going to be like? Because we've not had any news from the Kronos chain about that yet. But wait till that comes out. When that comes out, I'm expecting some bullish moves to come. But all you need to do is just go to Crypto.com website. Check out the roadmap for 2025. It's absolutely mega bullish. And especially, as I mentioned in previous videos, the Crypto.com stablecoin, that's big in my opinion. That's going to be a really big CRO mover in my opinion. But also what we've got to look at as well, it's also, like I said, with Crypto.com, they keep on building. And the QCC users, which is basically Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the United Emirates, all of them there, get ready to level up. Unlock your card spending, benefits and more with the level up experience. So basically they are starting to Get that roadmap going. That's what Crypto.com are doing, and they're getting it there in the Middle East. And they're starting to get, obviously, with the Middle East, they've got lots of money. They've got lots of money there. So hopefully they're going to buy behind, getting those debit cards, getting that CRO as well. So that's really, really mega bullish for Crypto.com. But going back to the roadmap, zoom out, look at the roadmap. For me, like I said, I'm not selling no CRO yet. It's not time for me to start selling yet. This is absolutely, and there'll be certain amount of CRO I'll never sell. I've got long-term horizon. I've got that separate, that's staying in a separate wallet. But overall, yeah, it's looking really bullish. But look at that. Alt season, 84%. And it is all starting to play out. At the moment, we're having a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a rest with a lot of the altcoins. But some of us are still popping off. We've got VeChain, which has been making some moves of recent. But alt season is 84%. And we can have a look at Bitcoin at the moment. And I said in the other videos, we've got that. Basically, we've got that triangle which we formed here, which broke up to the upside. We stayed above that 20 EMA, well above the 50, and extremely well above that 200 EMA. Money flow in the Cypher B, it's just been flowing into Bitcoin. And obviously, we had that news from Jerome Powell, which basically said yesterday that it's Bitcoin versus gold. It's not the dollar, it's Bitcoin versus gold, and that's what it is. And I think that's what made that move yesterday to the upside. And the price target for me at the moment is sitting at around about that $106,000. Are we going to get up to that $106,000? I'm pretty sure we will. But overall, my price target for Bitcoin is sitting anywhere between that 150,000 to 200,000 in this bull market. Because what we do see happening right now, we do see ETFs coming in, 571 million from BlackRock, a total of 556 million inflows coming into Bitcoin. People are starting to get that FOMO, people wanting to buy Bitcoin. And what we can also see here is the Bitcoin dominance is basically, because of that move up to what we are at the moment, 103, we have that bit of, on that area of support. We have pushed up on the Bitcoin dominance, but we're coming up to an area of resistance. And we can see here, from where we were before, around about that 56.5%. We're basically banging ahead on there. Now, what I'm hoping for is that we come back down. We sort of get rejected from that and make our way down to the downside, because obviously that's good for altcoins as well. So what we're also looking at is the USDT dominance as well. USDT dominance is just bleeding out. Look at that on the Cypher B. You can see the money flow coming out there. We're just dropping down to the downside. Again, we want to see this because this is going to be good for the altcoins, because that means their money is going to be coming into the alt. And a lot of the altcoins you see with CRO, a lot of the altcoins, they're all geared themselves up ready to make those parabolic moves to the upside. But like I say, always be prepared. There could be downside at any point in time. So don't forget, you get all this hype, you get all the green, bigger moves to the upside, basically. You're going to get bigger pullbacks, and that's the way it is. But total 3, again, we had that bull flag, and it's maintaining the movement to the upside. We're bullish, we're maintaining, we're sort of like chopping around. Like I said, because Bitcoin made that move, we're starting to chop around a little bit. But overall, we're bullish, we've broken out. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to break down again. USD dominance is dropping down, total 3 breaking out, just going a bit sideways at the moment. But overall, it's looking really bullish. But Ethereum is something I'm watching out for. I think Ethereum is going to make a giga move at some point. All that FUD, what we had down here, it's not doing anything, and we've broken out. But I'm expecting bigger moves for Ethereum to happen at any point in time now. And that is going to be good for all our altcoins like CRO and all the rest of the altcoins. We want Ethereum to make those big moves to the upside. And I think it's gearing itself up ready for a breakout. It's following up that 20 EMA. We've got the 200 crossing over of the 50 EMA, which is bullish in my opinion. So obviously all that happening as well. We've got also Ethereum ETFs came in at a total of $167 million came in for the Ethereum ETFs, which again is just mega bullish. But looking overall, that 100K Bitcoin, as I said before, congratulations to all those people who bought Bitcoin, especially those early adopters back in early days of 2012, 2013, it's still holding now. You know, it really is exciting times. And I've said to you before, months ago, I've got that gut feeling that big moves happen. I've got that gut feeling again with a lot of these altcoins. The altcoins are going to make big moves to the upside. Crypto.com, I think the CRO coin is going to make giga moves. $3 to $4 for CRO, my bullish opinion. That's where I think we're going. But like I said, when it comes to CRO, any altcoins, work out where you want to take profits, because nobody knows where the top of the bull market is. Absolutely nobody knows at all. So get ready for that. Get ready for those moves to the upside. Mega bullish at the moment. Everything's feeling great. I'm expecting big moves to happen. So give us a like and subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.